Hello everyone, my name is Trifan Mukti. I am a student of Management Study Program at Nusa Putra University. I would like to present a paper that I wrote entitled The Effect of Coaching and Training in Small Business Development. Small businesses have a central role in the economy in Indonesia. However, unfortunately, this is not accompanied by the maximum quality of education for SMEs. Encouraging to the development of small businesses in the economy field so that in the development process, training and coaching will be needed. According to Sikula, 1976, in Susilo et.al. 2014, training is a short-term educational process that uses systematic and organized procedures so that non-managerial workers learn technical knowledge and skill for specific purposes. Destination study. The first goal or aim is to examine whether there is an effect between training and coaching in relation to small business development effort. The second goal or aim is to test whether there is a partial effect between training and coaching on small business development efforts. Hope this future research can be used to the first as input for relevant agencies to develop small business training programs in the future. The second as input for small businesses themselves so that they can apply the training theory that has been received so that their business can develop more. The third as a reference material for future research to discuss similar problems. Literature review. Training Supriyanto 2001 in Al-Hamdi, Raden 2013 states that training is an activity to improve employee abilities by increasing knowledge of operational skill in an operation. Coaching in the government regulation of the Republic of Indonesia number 32 of 1998, the coaching and development of small businesses is carried out by the government, the business world, and the community, both independently and jointly, and carried out is a directed, integrated, and sustainable manner. How to create a strong and independently small business and can develop in a medium business. Previous research hypothesis. The hypothesis of previous research based on the theoretical, applied, and empirical review above, it can be hypothesized that the previous research model is H1. It is suspected that training and coaching are influenced by simultaneous development efforts. H2. It is suspected that the training and coaching are partly influenced by small business development efforts. Method study. Study is conducted for to do analysis by systematic for complete the problem that occur. Deeper research that will conducted is study correctional. Population and sample study are 76 small and medium enterprises that have been given training previously. Variable study and measurement. Training X1 that is part of the educational process that aim to improve abilities or acquire special skill for a person or group of people. Coaching X2. Coaching is an effort made by the government, the business world, and the community. Small business development. It is something that trains people which allow the people concerned to work more effectively. Validity test and reliability test. Validity test is used to find out how accurate a testing in carrying out its measurement function. Trust test. The reliability level questionnaire must be reliable or accurate. Normality test. The normality test aims to test in the regression model the confounding variable or residuals or normality distribution. A good regression model is one with a normal distribution. Multicollinearity test. The multicollinearity test aims to test what regression model is found to have a correlation between the independent variables. Test hypothesis. T-test. The first hypothesis determined with zero formulas statistically. The second, consistency. The third, degrees confidence, level of significance. F-test. The first hypothesis determined with zero formulas statistically. The second, consistency. Confidence determinant R. Result and discussion. From table number 1, it is known that the value of R count is greater than R table, so that all item variables are declared valid. From table number 2 is known that all Cronbach's alpha values are greater than 0.6. This means that all result variables are reliable and can be continued to the next test. From table number 3, it is known that the VIF value of 1.889 is greater than 10. So there is no relationship between the independent variables, or in other words, free-form multicollinearity. In table number 4 from the summary model, it is known that the R value of 0.759 indicated that there is a strong relationship between training and the development for small businesses because the number is close to 1. Discussion and conclusion. Discussion. Training and for develop skill. Development efforts must carry out so that activities efforts could develop become more right again. Enhancement productivity in business small will impact growth on retail well-being people. Conclusion. Destination study. This is for test influence training and coaching by simulation and partial to development equals more. 76 research samples are entrepreneurs in Sokamaju village who have followed training. Validity and reliability test results. All variable items already valid. Assumption test result classic from that all research data already normal. R value of 0.759 indicates there is strong relationship among training and coaching to development efforts small business. Do you have any question? If there is no question, I thank you. Sorry for the lags once again. I thank you and see you soon.